Hi all, another video, this one for Dewalt batteries and chargers that I bought again from Aliexpress. Yeah, I'm doing it just for learning and I'm not going to use this. It's more for the audience to learn and see how it is made and what is going on inside. And by the way, I got a comment from one named Roman00744. He wrote to me, if you don't want those batteries, I will be happy to take them. Stop scaring people. Those batteries are fine for use. And many other people I know use them at work for many years and had no problem with them. Yes, the capacity is lower, but the price is great and lasts longer than the genuine overpriced Makita batteries. I will keep buying the AliExpress one. So Roman, good luck to you and enjoy. It's a free world. You can do whatever you want. Okay, and I got other comments from people that I know that told me that the Makita batteries that they bought from AliExpress explode and got fire, and they had to, to throw something and to finish the fire, and they had a problem with them. So it's not just what I think, and it's a shame that this Dewalt, I bought it about a few days ago. I just got it, and first time I connected it to power. Okay, and yeah, I can show just on my phone. Yeah, if you can see on my phone that these batteries, estimated delivery date 14 in April 2025. I got, you see, the charger and the battery just now, and I connected it to power. And yeah, and what happened that after connected it to the battery, I heard explosion in the charger. So I just took the screws out, and we will see. Roman, if you want also, you can buy this charger. I can send you the link and I will show you. This is a 220 volt, like in my country. Yeah, so it's the correct voltage that I'm using here. And now I heard a very loud boom. Okay, of course, no LED, no nothing, but just a boom. Yeah, okay, we can see explosion here. Let's see what is going on with this. Okay, we can see that we had an explosion. First use. Yeah, Roman, maybe sometimes it can be okay, and then boom, you have it. So enjoy what you think, and let's check. Probably the fuse also explode. I have also a genuine charger from Dewalt. I'm sure that it is built differently, but we will soon see it. Now let's see if the fuse is blown, or maybe no, you see. Just a second. Yeah, this is the fuse. So the fuse is not blown. The fuse is not blown, but the charger is blown. Yeah, it had a really loud boom when I connected it. Okay, so yeah, this is what happened when you don't use the original one. And I have also the Dewalt battery. We'll check it maybe in another video and compare it to the real one. But now I want to focus on the charger and see how the real charger looks like. Okay. So searching for the genuine charger. I have it somewhere. Okay, so this is the original Dewalt charger. So let's see. Also the screws are different. I'm not sure if it is Torx or Allen screws. Let's see. Now this is Torx screws. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Do you see the difference? It's also connected and not easy to take it out, this part. But yeah, but don't want to break it, and there is a problem here with this part that is catching. Now it is. Yeah, okay. So let's compare. Let's compare. You don't need to be super high engineer in order to understand that this is built much better than this one. First we will start that we have a bigger, we have a bigger transformer which can deliver much higher current. We also have cooling metal for the transistors. Here we have nothing. We have more protection on the input. Everything is built. Yeah, you can see the difference. You can see the difference. They did some, like some, let's say electronics. They have all this distance between the high voltage and the low voltage, but anyway it exploded on the first time. But here we also have a cut in the PCB. The cut prevent, you know, sparks to go from side to side if something happens. And yeah, we have also cut here, and you can see that it is much more, a lot of more electronics, let's say, component, which make it much more safer. Yeah, and also on this side we can see we have a lot of protection and a very big bridge diode. Here we don't have a big bridge diode, we have something else, a very small one on the PCB. And yeah, we have a difference. Also the wires here are connected with a connector. Whoa, so dangerous, because yeah, if I connect it in the opposite way here, so everything is connected wrong and it can cause explosion on the battery or whatever. But anyway, it is going to garbage. Yeah, you don't have to be NASA engineer in order to understand that this is good and this is bad, or let's say this is much better. You have a lot of things that can mess up in this way, and this is much better. Okay, Roman, do whatever you think. You can continue with your batteries from AliExpress and enjoy them if you have a good luck or if you have a bad luck. So yeah, I think it will not be very nice to you, but you can do whatever you think. Okay, so this is about this part. Okay, so my recommendation is to throw it as fast as you can to garbage, and then you are safe. About the battery, we will disassemble, check it, check capacity. This will be in another video. So thank you for now, and bye.